Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So Instagram has added one new feature that you can like Instagram stories. For example, before whenever we were reacting on Instagram stories, that reaction, that emoji was going to their Instagram message request or in their message. So now you can directly like the Instagram stories. So they are not going to get the like notification in their message request. So I will show you in this video how to use this feature, how to, if you don't have this feature in your Instagram account, so how to get this feature. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So this is my Instagram page. I will post one story here. So I will select this story and I will post it. So this story is posted. Now I will switch to my different account and I will like this story. So here you can see this one. I will click on this like. Here you can see it is it is now in red color. Now I will go back to my that account and I will check how it looks. So here you can see just beside my profile picture there is one like icon is there. Here you can see the heart emoji. So this is how this feature looks. So this feature was not available for me also. So what you need to do, you need to update your Instagram application and reopen your Instagram app. Even if it is not available, then check for Instagram update again after 1 to 2 hours. Like, okay, then you will see that just after 1 or 2 hours one more update is available. Then you update that, then you do that update, then you will find this option in your Instagram account. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.